Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today's video, I have a thrift store haul. It's actually kind of small. This thrift store haul is not gonna be super long. I love this thrift store because it is a charity thrift store and the money goes to like their charity that they do is like domestic violence and stuff, and they just help a lot of women. So I just really love shopping there. So yeah, let's just get into the video. All right, the first item we have, oh, the one thing I hate about them, though, I'm not gonna lie, is that they do this. They staple shit on, which makes me mad. Everything was 50% off too. Okay, so this is a Lulu's dress. It was new with tags. And actually, I don't know if it's a dress. I think it's a jumper, actually. It's a jumpsuit, wide leg jumpsuit, buttons up the side, super cute. Looks like that. Does it have a style name on it? No. But Lulu's is just like a fun, trendy brand. Can be hit or miss, just depends on the item. Next, we have an Eileen Fisher dress. This is definitely a vintage, old Eileen Fisher piece, but it is 100% wool, so that's why I decided to get it. It is a size medium, and it is just a black short sleeve maxi dress. So yeah, a really great material, and it was $2.50, so it's like a no-brainer. All right, the next item we have is by the brand American Apparel. This again was $2.50. It's a size small, and it's just a navy wrap dress, and it looks like that. Pretty basic, but American Apparel tends to do pretty well for me when I list it, so I always pick it up. All right, next we have, what is this? Oh, this is Susan Graver. It's a size medium. It's a QVC brand. It's just a nice bread and butter piece. I don't know, it was $3. Maybe that was a bit too much. I just really liked it, so I got it. Next we have, oh, this is a Worth piece, which actually is funny because I put a Worth item in one of my other haul videos, and I was just talking about how I'm pretty selective with it because it doesn't have like the best resale value. Not the best resale value, but for me it can sit for a while. It just really depends on the piece. It's super hit or miss, so I'm pretty selective when I pick it up. But this is such a cute little dress. It's like a leopard print dress, and then it has like a tie drawstring waist, and it was $3, so it's definitely worth like experimenting with. It's 100% silk, and it's a size P. I don't know what that necessarily means. I know like it means petite, but like, is it an extra small petite? Is it small petite? Like, what's just P? Like, can you give me more information? I don't know. All right, and the next item I have is by the brand. Okay, these, I'm gonna see how they do. It's just more of an experimental piece. Like, let's just get them and see. They are just, they say Alabama, crimson tide. They're size 4, and they're just skinny jeans. They look like this, and they have the University of Alabama logo on them. They have this little thing on the back. I have been to Alabama. My brother went there for 2 years. I was gonna say, I haven't been there. I don't know how expensive their student store is, but most student stores are expensive, so yeah, they probably retailed for a decent amount. Not decent, but like, I don't know, under 100, but like probably more than 50, you know what I mean? So I feel like someone, maybe a mom whose kid just got into Alabama, or somebody wants these. I don't know, maybe somebody who works there wants these, maybe somebody who just got into the college wants these. I bought them for $2.50. We'll see what I sell them for. All right, the next item that we have is by Land's End. It is a size 14D, so I'm assuming that means 14, but the cup size is a D. Yeah, and it's just this cute little tankini. I've sold a really similar tankini to this before. I like to sell Land's End swimsuits. Okay, I need to stay away from like the smaller sizes, but once you get up there into the like 14, 16, 18 size, they tend to sell pretty well and pretty fast. But if you're selling in the size like 10, 8, 6 range, they don't sell as well. Okay, the next item we have is another Eileen Fisher piece. I believe this is silk, and that's why I got it. It has to be, right? I'm kind of assuming this is silk and why I got it. I mean, in general, I always like to pick up Eileen Fisher, but let me just see real quick. Let me see. Yes, it's 100% silk. It was $4.50. That's why I said I had to be a good material. $4.50. So again, on that spectrum of cheap to like paying up, I feel like it's in the middle. So it's just like this black tank dress. Pretty basic, 100% silk. Love that. Okay, this is a loft piece. Now loft, this is Lou and Grey for loft, which I'm selective with both of these brands, and the combination I feel like it's not a great combination. combination, right? Because they both suck. But it was such a cute shirt that I just had to get it. It was $2.50. I definitely thought I can make money off it, so I got it. Has this really cute pom-pom trim neckline. I love the different colors on it and the stripes. I just thought this is such a cute little summer shirt, so I picked it up. It was a size medium. Again, $2.50. I'll make a profit on it, and hopefully it sells quickly. Alright, this next item was $2, and it is Little Big Town. It's a size large, and it is just a tour shirt. We'll see. Sometimes these music shirts do really well for me, sometimes they don't. I've never sold a Little Big Town shirt before, but in general, like concert tees can either sell really quickly or not sell at all. So we'll see which one that one is. Next, we have Neon Buddha. This is a size small. It's just a pink v-neck short sleeve shirt, just a basic thing. I was $2.50. Just experimenting with that brand and seeing how it's gonna go. Next, this is a Free People item. It's a size medium, and it's just like this multicolor off the shoulder shirt. I think this is like a floral print. It's like almost like a geometric floral print. It's really cute. I love it's so soft. I love this like mesh material. It's so comfy, and yeah, it's a size medium. It was $2.50. I don't know what the style name is or what it's going for. I don't know if it was Free People that was sold in TJ Maxx or just normal Free People, but I like it, and I'll make a profit for $2.50. All right, and then the last item we have is another Susan Graver. This is a size small, and it's just this, it's like I can't tell if it's red or like berry pink, you know what I mean? But it's just a long sleeve shirt with this little applique whatever neckline, and that was also $2.50. So I hope you guys enjoyed that video. Yeah, just like a pretty good bread and butter basic haul, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe down below, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.